Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A6 and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now you have to locate and open display. And here you will now notice blue light filter. So if you would like to reduce eye strain by limiting the amount of blue light emitted by the screen, just tap on the switcher. And as you can see, it has been activated, but if you would like to personalize this mode or schedule it, just click here on the left edge of the light filter, and here you can change the opacity, so you can pick some cooler or warmer colors, and obviously you can switch it off here as well. But then you can also schedule it for some particular period of time. Just click on turn on as scheduled, and here you can pick either from sunset to sunrise, or you can pick custom schedule. And now just pick start and end hour. So here it is, click on done, and this is it. That would be all. From now on, every day between 6 PM and 8 AM next day, your blue light filter will be active. You can also have a quick access to blue light filter. Just slide down the upper bar and now locate blue light filter. It's right here, so smoothly just click on it, and now you can turn it on and off here, and also you can change the opacity here once it's active. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily protect your eyes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.